Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I want to show you how to make oyster sauce prawns. Let's go. Ingredients: oyster sauce and sweet soy sauce, onion, garlic, and lime, pepper and margarine. And the last one is prawns. First, clean the syrup and wash it clean. Mince the garlic until it's a bit fine. Slice onions. Turn on the fire. And add the margarine. Then add the chopped garlic and add onions. Stir until fragrant, and then add the prawns. Stir until red. Add a little water. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Add a little pepper or according to taste. Add 1 sachet of oyster sauce. Add sweet soy sauce to taste. Stir until everything is well mixed. Don't forget to turn off the stove. Put it on a plate or bowl. And oyster sauce prawns ready to serve. And the food is ready. Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.